In this video, we are going to see how we can manage the drop shipping business in Zoho Books very conveniently. So if you have an e-commerce website, you have a Shopify store or even an online WordPress store where you simply list some of the products that you source from a particular vendor, you don't have an inventory and you just want to sell it and maintain all of your accounts. So Zoho Books is perfect for that. And I have created a full drop shipping example here. That you are running an online shop, the customer buys Bluetooth headphone from your website at $150, but you don't have any stock here. Instead, you contact your supplier, buy the product for $90, and the supplier ships it directly to your customer. So just you mention the shipping address of the customer when you buy it from the supplier, and you are good to go. The supplier will directly ship that items to the customer. So you get paid $150 from the customer, you pay $90 to the supplier. So you have this kind of cash inflow here or profit or loss here. Your gross profit will be $60. So here is how the profit and loss account looks like and how the cash flow statement and all this looks like. By the way, guys, if you want to download this project and follow along, you can check the resources section of this video and just download this to follow. But not only that, sometimes you are short of inventory and your business is not basically a drop shipping business, but sometimes the customer orders something that you don't have. So you just directly order it from the vendor and just ask the vendor to deliver the goods. So in that business, even though you are not in the drop shipping business, this also works there as well. So with this said, let's see the example of drop shipping. First of all, what we need to do is just create the item or just simply go to the sales order. Let's go to sales and click on sales order here and click on new sales order. Let's say our customer is website customer. And all the fields, I'll keep it as it is. Just simply click on save. And the order number is this automatically generated. Sales order date is current date. Expected shipment date, you can mention that here. Or let's keep it simple and make the same date delivery. Delivery method, you can choose any delivery method, salesperson if you like. And just create a simple sales order, but I need to follow this particular project. So Bluetooth headphone is the item that we need to create here. I need to add a new item. Bluetooth headphones. Pieces. Sale price is $150. Buying price is $90. And we will just mention the same name on both fields. We need to track this inventory. However, if we don't track the inventory, that's also fine. You don't hold any kind of inventory in the dropshipping business, but I'll just mention it here. Click on save. And here is the item. Customer orders one headphone for $150 and we'll click on save and send. We just need to add a contact person here. Otherwise it will save it as a draft order. So we just enter any email here. Make sure all the fields are filled so that you can click on send. After that, the order is created and you will be redirected to this screen. This is the order. We will just select that. And here we just need to click on these three dots and find the drop shipping area. But unfortunately, we don't have it here. What we need to do is just configure some of the settings. Click on the settings, go to items, and we have some fields to be activated here, but nothing like drop shipping. So this means that we need to convert the app. Go to the settings. Right now we are in Zoho Books. Let me just show you. We are in Zoho Books. As you can see here, we need to shift to the app of Zoho Inventory, and it's very simple. Just go to the settings. On the gear icon, just go to Zoho Apps, and we have Zoho Inventory, which is already active right here. We just need to access it. And now we are in Zoho Inventory. Just go to sales, and our order is automatically there already, but just to notice that we have a lot of features now in the sales. We have the packages, shipments, and all the other stuff. So just go to the sales order, and here is the order. If we now click on the three dots, we have the dropship option right here. Click on that, and it shows you that do you want to dropship partially or fully. So I'll just click on complete drop shipment because we are sourcing the complete product from the supplier and we only have one item. Just click here, click on yes. But before that, let's read this. You're converting the sales order into a purchase order. This means that immediately when you drop ship, the sales order is automatically created to purchase order and you just directly order it from vendor, and that's pretty much it. Do you want to copy this to a new purchase order? Yes. And we have the new purchase order here. We just have to fill in the supplier. Let's make a new supplier and let's write here source supplier, right? Sourcing company, whatever is the sourcing company, I'll just write it here. And just to keep it simple, I'll not fill all of the other tags or other fields. Click save. So this is my source supplier and we don't have any open purchase orders here. We are creating one right now. So it's of Bluetooth headphones, but we are sourcing it for $90 as we have configured in the inventory before. And in the shipment preferences, you can mention the details about the customer. And in the shipping address, we will mention the customer address here. Okay. So billing address will be ours, shipping address will be the customer's one, so that it can be directly supplied to the customer. Just click on save and send here. And just need to select any particular email. Just write here an email and click on send. Attach purchase order PDF. And now the purchase order is created. We can just directly convert it to bill as well so that it can hit the accounts. Same thing, just mention the reference or any compulsory field if necessary. Click on save as open. And we can also record the payment made to the supplier right away. It's $90. So all set, we just have to click on save as paid. Now, once we have completed the purchase process from the source supplier, we can immediately go to the sales and click on the sales order. And now we just convert this drop shipped sales order into a sales invoice. Just click here. It's already drop shipped and we just need to convert it to invoice. Just open it up and click on convert to invoice. And you don't particularly make any changes here. Just click on save and send, and just notice that we have zero stock here. We just buy it from the supplier and supply it to the customers. Click on save and send. So we don't have any stock. And click on proceed. Let's replace the placeholder here. Just remove this. And we need to mention any email here. Now, if you want to filter all the dropshipped orders, you just go to the sales order, and instead of all orders, you can just click on any one of them. So let's say dropshipped. You might have the filter here as well, dropshipped. So this one is dropshipped, and same goes for the purchases. If you have any purchase orders that's under dropshipping, we can filter it here as well. So let's look for the 20th June profit and loss account. If we go to the profit and loss account, we just search it here. Okay, we can't find it here because we are in the inventory module. But if we go to that area, we will find that the profit of $60 is made. So we can check that later on. Okay, let's go to the items here. And under the Bluetooth headphones, we have the zero stock here. But if we click on this and click on transactions, we will see the order is closed and fulfilled and all set. Let's switch the app to Zoho accounts. Click on the settings, click on the accounting in the integration and marketplace. And let's access Zoho Books now. And here we can check the reports. Profit and loss is there. Let's set it to the today's date. Click on run report. We have made the sales of 170. I'll remove this extra ones for now. Let's click on delete here. Okay. Let's access this again for the current date. So we have made the sales of $150 against the headphones today, and the cost of goods sold is 90. So we have made the profit of 60 here. The perfect example of drop shipping. And that's how you can easily manage all the e-commerce businesses, all the Shopify kind of businesses, unlike all the other softwares until and unless you use ERP systems. But here in Zoho, we have a lot of integrations for advanced functionality based on different apps here. So not only this inventory is very helpful, just go to the settings and you can see that if you click on Zoho apps, there is a lot of apps here. You can attach to CRM so that you can maintain your customers in a better way. You can manage many projects here, and we have many functionality here. But right now we are in the Zoho Books training basically, but still I've shown you how we can manage this kind of advanced functions. So just practice this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.